Hi guys, it's me, TechJig, and today we're taking a look at something that's been getting a lot of buzz in the DIY printing world, the DXZ A4 DTF printer with roll feeder. Now, this isn't your typical home printer, this is a direct-to-film printer built for people who want to create custom t-shirts, hoodies, and other textile designs right from their own workspace. So, if you've been exploring ways to bring your creative ideas to life without outsourcing your printing, this might be the solution you've been waiting for. First off, let's talk about speed. One of the standout features of the DXZ A4 DTF printer is its XP600 Print Head, which doubles the printing speed compared to older models like the L1800 and L805. This means less waiting and more productivity. Whether you're printing a single shirt for fun or small batches for your own brand, the faster output makes a noticeable difference. And the printer itself isn't just fast, it's also designed to handle continuous printing with the roll feeder system, which is a game changer for efficiency. Another key feature that really elevates this printer is the built-in white ink stirring system. White ink is notorious for settling and clogging, which can be a huge pain, especially if you're trying to get consistent prints. The DXZ system automatically stirs the white ink while printing, keeping it perfectly mixed and ready to go at all times. This means fewer interruptions, smoother prints, and less maintenance, a small detail that makes a big difference over time. Now, let's get into the setup and usability. Out of the box, the DXZ A4 DTF printer comes with everything you need: the printer itself, a matching oven for curing prints, dedicated software, ink, and film. The setup process is straightforward, even if you're new to DTF printing. The included software is intuitive, giving you control over color management, print settings, and film layout, which is critical if you want your designs to look professional and consistent every time. Speaking of results, the DXZ printer delivers vibrant, high-quality prints with excellent detail. The XP600 Print Head is known for precise dot placement and excellent color accuracy, so even intricate designs come out looking sharp. And thanks to the built-in oven, the curing process is seamless, helping your prints adhere perfectly to fabrics while maintaining their brightness and durability. This combination of precise printing and efficient curing makes the DXZ printer a really powerful tool for creators who care about quality. Durability and reliability are also worth mentioning. The printer's build quality feels solid, with a design that handles frequent use without feeling fragile. The roll feeder is smooth and stable, reducing the risk of jams or misalignments, which is something that can really slow down production if you're dealing with multiple orders or batch printing. Another thing that stands out is the printer's versatility. While it's optimized for t-shirts, it's not limited to just one type of fabric. You can experiment with hoodies, tote bags, and other textile materials. That flexibility is what makes DTF printers like this one so appealing for small business owners and creative hobbyists alike. You're not locked into a single workflow, you can explore and expand your creative projects. Now, let's talk about efficiency and cost. DTF printing can be more cost-effective than other custom printing methods, especially for small runs, because you only need the printer, ink, and film to start. No pre-treatment sprays, no complicated heat presses for every project. The DXZ system streamlines this, making it accessible for people just starting out, but also robust enough for more experienced users who need reliable output for their projects. Of course, no product is perfect. Some users may find that learning the nuances of color profiles and curing times takes a little trial and error, especially if you're new to DTF.